This is the SAT question of the day for March 23rd. So I've decided to use this website called The Critical Reader for the SAT and ACT sentences of the day. And I'll put a link on our website if you want to try them out on your own ahead of time. That's fine. Or you can just follow along with my explanation for each. And so today's sentence: many of us listen to music as a way to calm or energize ourselves. Mona Lisa Shanda and Danielle Levitin, professors at McGill University, have had a look at more than 400 scientific papers on the neurochemical effects of music. Their conclusion was that music truly can boost the body's immune system, reduce anxiety, and regulate people's moods. Now, you might be tempted to just go straight for no change because actually there's nothing grammatically wrong with it. Have had a look at sounds a little bit weird, but it's technically correct. And so let's look at the other options first. Let's start with why I read that final sentence. It seems like you can just stop right after you get done with this sentence. What's the point of reading the final one? Well, the final one gives us more information, and it tells us that one of the options cannot work, and that is overlooked, because it makes no sense to say that they have overlooked 400 scientific papers if they came to a conclusion after looking at them. And so it's definitely not going to be D. And then if we look at the final options, checked out more than 400 scientific papers or examined more than 400 scientific papers, this sentence is asking about which would be the best choice stylistically. And because have had a look at is very idiomatic. Idiomatic means it's an idiom. It's an expression that we all use, but that it might not make any real sense, or it might be very conversational, and it wouldn't be something you'd want to use in a formal paper. And so this one is very idiomatic. Have a look at something, think about that. If you were learning English as a foreign language, how hard it might be to figure out the meaning of that. Or checked out, right? Check something out. What does that really mean when you think about defining it? It's an idiom. It's not a formal word choice. And so C, examined, that they have examined more than 400 scientific papers, is the best option here.